All right. So this is going to be your next assignment. There's different requirements for Computer Graphics 1 and Computer Graphics 2. What you're going to do, in Computer Graphics 2, you're going to make a negative space, a word out of negative space using imagery and placement and scale to create the negative space word. Now, negative space is any space that is not occupied, right? So this is the negative space. And you want the word to be legible. In this slideshow, I have step-by-step kind of instructions to show you how to do it. What you're going to do is you need at least 3 different images to use, and you may repeat these 3 images over and over again to create the word. You can change the scale, you can rotate, you can flip, you can do anything editing wise with those 3 images. Now, Computer Graphics 1, you guys can use photos. So if you want to find photos, you can select them, right? Make sure you select them very, very, very well with the lasso tool to make sure, that they look like you don't have the background in them, right? And you can copy and paste them over and over again to create the word. Computer Graphics 2, you guys need to draw at least 2 images in Illustrator. So it's a little harder. So you have to draw the images and copy and paste them over and over again. So you're going to be using Computer Graphics 2, you guys are going to be using Illustrator and Photoshop. Computer Graphics 1, you could technically get away with just using Photoshop. So what you're going to do first is you're going to figure out what word you want to use. Your word at least has to be, I think I said 5 letters, okay? Because it's too easy if you have like a 3-letter word. You're going to type out the word, okay? This is going to go away later, but you're going to pick the font and the style. You're going to type out the word that you want. Then what you're going to do is you're going to find the images that you want, and you are going to copy and paste them onto that page. You're going to select just the image, and you're going to copy and paste it onto this page. And you can put it, so I did one like this with flower, okay? And this was one of the images that I decided to use. So I selected it using the lasso, okay? Making sure it looked really nice. And I'm copying and pasting it onto this page with my the word flower typed out. And then you can see I started copying and pasting the flower all around the letters. So what you want is you want to fill in the white space around the letters. And you can make some bigger, so I'm repeating this same flower over and over again, but I'm changing the size. I might be changing the direction. I got different flowers too that I copied and pasted. I rotated a little bit. And as I kept going, I kind of filled it all in. When you are done, you're getting rid of the word so that you just have the negative space. Now, what you need to make sure you do is you need to make sure that these come out a little bit so that it doesn't look weird. So you can see the lettering at the end. So, and that's it. So these are some examples. These ones were drawn. This is Coco, but you see Candy and the images were drawn. This one's Shoe. It was also drawn. Shh, Nico. Wait, hold on. Back. How do I go back? So this one is green. So things that were green. Pirates. This one would have been better if they put more things in there to read. This one's my favorite, Grow.
That's called Grow.
Strum. All kinds of guitars around. So some of these are drawn and some of these are images. So remember, Computer Graphics 2, you have to draw your image to use, copy and paste over again. Okay? Computer Graphics 1, you can use just photos. You can draw if you want to, but you are allowed to use just photos and copy and paste. So does anyone have any questions?